Good afternoon, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Dan Thompson, and today we'll be looking at Boston Whaler's flagship 405 Conquest. This particular boat is in stock and ready for immediate delivery. It's equipped with the upgraded hull color, triple 600 outboards for unbelievable performance. These engines offer some amazing technology, from 2-speed transmissions. Only the lowers end up steering the boat. Extended service intervals, 200 hours. And unbelievable acceleration for these bigger boats. As you walk into the cockpit, see an unbelievable layout for seating comfort and fishing. This one's got the summer kitchen. You got your grill, wet bar, refrigerator, ample storage, transom live well, large dive door, room for your tables, freezer box. One thing Whaler's known for is their adjustable seating, flexible layout. As we move into the upper cockpit, see the optional twin 19-inch Simrads along with the 24-inch for the port side. Great seating. Now these seats will all flip to create a nice lounger. More refrigeration, wet bar, cooktop. This is the full side glass with the opening doors, port and starboard. As we move down to the salon, you got Fusion speakers, TV, nice L-shaped lounge. All your controls. Nice galley, refrigerator, nice full beam, sleeping accommodations, a generous size head with separate shower. As you move into the VIP, you get great access, port and starboard, enormous storage underneath the bed. This whole thing flips up and they've made it so it will fit modern day luggage. Great hanging lockers, additional TV, and a pocket sliding door for privacy. It's 405, has a little something for everyone. With the optional Seakeeper, it's unbelievable steady. It's great for running the islands or extending your season up north. If you have questions about this boat or any boat in the MarineMax inventory, again, my name is Dan Thompson. Be happy to go over everything and find the perfect boat for you. You can reach me at 978-375-1584. Again, thank you for hanging out with me on this 405, and I look forward to seeing you on the water.